Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Don't make unconditional promises to beings of choice. And by beings of choice, I mean the fire beings and the clay beings. You can declare nature as your witness. It is a sin to speculate up against those with no reason to doubt their infidelity. Some will put on different senses of appearances and persona than what they actually have. Some rituals take longer than planned, help others to fulfill their promises. We can become as the sacrifice. Desire can be sidestepped. It is important to see how Vedic texts go through mythic themes, compared and contrasted with other myths. Don't seek authority for itself, but accept it when qualified. Heroes are active in fate and direct the ethics and morals by responding to the situation. Some may follow others in their tasks, but responsibility remains their own. The spoils and militant authority is not the point of war and can be renounced. Commands can be beyond speech. Last rites are a right. Rituals are to start in the pre-sunrise. Animal sounds. Death and hardship can pay for sins. Be concerned why people missed pre-planned rituals. Hold people responsible for what deeds they call others to perform. Or as they say in the Islamic world, blessed be the days of Kabar and Kandak. Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. We respect the source of pleasure, who's ever victorious, ever victorious.